or every a manager or every person in life is trying to achieve the results consistently, right? But many a times it may not be possible, or they fail sometimes, maybe because of lack of planning or lack of kind of approach or whatever it is. But what is your advice for them to reroute? Like, sometimes, when they fail, they'll just, okay, this is not mine. So what is your advice to reroute them to achieve the goals again?
Yeah, this is a very pertinent topic, and especially in today's time, a lot of even on the LinkedIn post, sometimes when I write about resilience,
Yes.
People respond back stating that, see, I have this challenge because of COVID, this has happened, and I'm not getting a new job, or I'm not getting any other opportunity. And you're talking about resilience. How do I do that? So especially many a times the comments would come from people who are aged, and it happened, this unfortunate thing happened to them towards old age. So then there is ageism also in the industry. People don't want to hire. So all those kind of challenges are there. And for me, the mantra has been resilience since childhood. Because I have seen challenges, a lot of challenges in terms of starting from a very small village, where my school was kind of a village school. So I would sit on the floor, have book on in my hands, and I will read. No English till 6th standard. And then when I went for engineering, I saw a city for the first time. And the challenge was communication. Academics was not a challenge, because this institute had people from all over the world, and everybody was speaking English. So I was like, I would cry. I will keep crying, thinking that the moment I open my mouth, people will laugh at me. So how do I speak to them? Because everyone was from kind of big cities, and they studied in English medium. Maybe there were only few 1% of people would be who came from vernacular medium. So from there to now speaking in international forums, I have seen a lot of challenges, many failures also. Sometimes spellings went wrong, sometimes pronunciation went wrong, but I kept on trying consistently. And I would say that when I know what is my goal, I will keep on working on it. And my advice would be to have a mentor, not only because they know and they are already there, they can guide you, they can even show you mirror. Because knowing when to stop is also important, as I said in the beginning. Don't take a goal which is not so first we have to really understand ourselves, what we need, and that remains it's a journey. So we will not, even I have to tell about myself, even as a psychology master, I would not be able to say 100% thing. I just did a feedback session with 25 people, asking them what is my strength and what is my area of improvement. And the results were surprising even for me. So first understand whether it is aligned or not. Once there is an alignment, then only start going for that goal and have consistent efforts. What we do is we start very well, middle we just break down because there are challenges.